welcome to my kitchen. So today I decided to do a mukbang, and I got some nice pineapples, all the way from France actually. They're dans de juice de ananas. They're real nice and juicy, and yeah. So let's get started, guys. So today I traveled all the way to Italy, and I went to Denninger's. No, sorry, that was I misread that. Dead Ringers today. I got some yummy Italiano wedding soup. I'm just going to prepare it today. So you're gonna want to put the pot on the pot on the stove, okay? Then you want to light it up, but I'm scared of fire, so my brother Jeremiah, here you go. Beautiful, thank you, Jerry. So then you just want to plop it in there. 1 second. Oh, that's one hard soup, guys. You want to put the next one in so that it's not lonely. Then you want to let it simmer on high heat. So this soup is actually very important to me because my mammy passed away 5 years ago, and we didn't get her ashes, but we got her soup that she left for us. And you can tell it's very active, like all the orbs around the steam. That's my mammy, guys. Okay, so as you can see, nothing's really happening over there. So you're gonna want to get a nice wooden a nice wooden spoon. You know, just poke at it. Let it do it. Let it, melt. Come closer. You really got, no, not my face. The soup. Jeremiah, seriously. So these small eggs, these are actually from Mammy's, she had a lot of fish at home. So she saved them all for me. But it's real yummy, guys. And guys, I wanted to tell you this before. This isn't just any oven. This is a magic oven I got at the dollar store for only 99 cents. And I'll show you why it's magic. So come closer again. All you have to do is press that button. Make sure you don't burn your arm though, because the soup is... Well, there we go. Is it on? And then, bam! You got some nice buns. So you don't want to tip over, what was her name? Mama. Grandma. Mammy. Because part of her ashes are also in here. I forgot to mention that before, guys. You want to slowly place her on the table. Somewhere right here. And let her rest in peace. Mammy. So, as a true mukbanger, you have to taste test all your food. So, as I cooked with you guys before my mammy's soup, her special soup. So we're gonna give that a try. Very soupy. Then I made some potato salad. You guys didn't see that because I was so fast. So, potato salad, wonderful. Oh, sorry. And then I also made some, I showed you guys these, so. Delicious! I'm gonna finish my food, guys. I hope you guys like my mukbang. And please subscribe and like the video. Bye!
The bag's right beside you if you want it. sloppy?